Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. If you want your layouts to be pixel perfect, the secret to that is using cells. By dividing your sections into smaller parts, you get total control over where your content lives. Let's learn how to do it. Go to the section you want to customize and select it or click on it. A floating action bar will appear. Here you'll find the option called Add Cell, so click on that. Decide where you'd like to add a cell to the right, to the left, to the top, or to the bottom of your selected section. And our cell has been successfully added. If you need even more control, right-click on an existing cell, and you can choose to split it, either horizontally or vertically. This is perfect for creating those trendy bento box styles where different pieces of content fit together like a puzzle. Once your cells are in place, you aren't stuck with them. Just hover over the grid lines and you can actually adjust their height or width according to your preferences. Also, the content inside will automatically adapt, keeping everything looking clean and intentional. So, adding cells is the fastest way to build a responsive skeleton that holds your design together perfectly on any screen. You can add images, texts, buttons, and so much more. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.